Parts of a circle. A circle is made up of various parts. We have the center, we have the radius, and we have the circumference. The circumference is the locus of points, equidistant from a fixed point. That fixed point is the center. Now the distance between the fixed point and the circumference is our radius. So how big or small a circle will be depends on the radius. We also have diameter. The diameter is a straight line that passes through the center. It divides the circle into two equal halves. Now there is a relationship between the diameter and the radius. As you can see, from the center to one end of the diameter is equal to the radius, and from the center to the other end of the diameter is also equal to the radius. And so the relationship is 2 times the radius is equal to the diameter. Or you can say, when I divide my diameter into 2 equal halves, each half is equal to the radius. This can be expressed mathematically as the diameter d is equal to 2 times the radius. Or, when I divide the diameter into 2 equal halves, each half is equal to the radius. So let's take note of this relationship. We have an arc. An arc is a curved line joining 2 points on the circumference. As we can see the sea blue line here, one end is a point on the circumference, the other end is another point on the circumference. So the sea blue line joins those 2 points. Now the black line from one end of the blue line, from here through here up to the other end of the blue line, is also an arc. And so an arc can be short, an arc can be very long. We also have a sector. A sector is the area enclosed by 2 radii and an arc. So as you can see on the diagram, a sector is shaded with a blue background. We also have a chord, the green line here. A chord is a straight line that divides the circle into 2 halves. The division may be equal or unequal. So as you can see the green line, it divides the circle into this segment and this segment. Now, a portion of a circle, as the chord divides, or we say a part of it, as the chord divides. So this chord divides the circle into 2 segments. So the shaded portion here is a segment of the circle, and the other side of the green line is also a segment. So this segment is quite big, and then the smaller one, which is shaded with the blue, so that is a segment. Then we have this line here. It is not a distinct part of a circle, but it is only mentioned in relation to circles and arcs. This line touches the circle at only one point, and the point where the circle and the tangent line meets, from that point to the center is equal to the radius, and the radius meets the tangent line at 90 degrees. So this is how the tangent also relates to a circle. Alright, so we looked at center, we looked at the radius, we looked at the circumference, we looked at the diameter, we looked at the arc, sector, chord, segment, and tangent. I hope you remember them and even describe them. Thank you very much.